The next point is area of management. That means where we can use management. Management is a process. Now we need to understand where this process is needed or where we can use this process of management. The scope of management encompasses various areas of management is under. The first area of management is production management. It deals with the plant location, machine layout, technology adoption, production process. It includes varieties of activities related to production. ये मैनेजमेंट प्रोडक्शन नाम से ही पता चलता है. प्रोडक्शन मैनेजमेंट इट मीन्स ये मैनेजमेंट किस प्रोसेस के बारे में है, प्रोडक्शन के बारे में, प्लांट कौन सा चाहिए, कहाँ पे लगाएंगे वगैरह वगैरह. सो all this management need in this area. Which area? Production. So first management is production management. Second one, marketing management. When we produce our product, we need to advertise our product. We need to give advertising TV, online website, in buses, the posters and etc. So that comes under this management, marketing management. We need to market about our product because we need to sell this product. The third management is financial management. It deals with the decisions about capitalization, the total fund needed, how to split the funds in equity and debts, where we need to purchase the fixed assets, current assets. It's all about the finance. It's all about the money management. So that's come under the financial management. Last one is human resources management. Human resources come with the people as an employee, workers, foremen. So we need to deal with people. We need to deal with the source of manpower, proper selection of our employee. We need to give them training, placement of proper places. We need to proper employee at proper desk. जो बंदे को टेक्निकल नॉलेज नहीं है उसे हम टेक्निकल जॉब नहीं दे सकते, लाइक दैट. सो दैट्स वाई वी नीड टू मैनेज दिस ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज. सो देयरफॉर we have 4 area of management: production management, marketing management, financial management and human resource management. Now, management and administration. Some people says that these are two different things. Some people says no, they are the one and the same. But the actual concept is the both term management and administration is different. Let's understand. The term administration has a wider scope and it includes the term management. सो मैनेजमेंट टर्म है वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन टर्म्स की डेफिनेशन में इंक्लूड है, इसीलिए एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है वो वाइडर स्कोप है और मैनेजमेंट है वो नैरो स्कोप है. नाउ इफ वी सी फर्दर, सो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट in our organization, in our company, we have a different level of management: top level, middle level and bottom level. So administration कहाँ पे चाहिए और management कहाँ पे चाहिए? Administration needed in top level management, but management is needed in middle and bottom level. So that's why the term is different, the use of the term is different, and the management and administration has a two wide different concept. Let's understand the difference between them, the difference between administrations and the management. The first one is ownership. तो जो administrations है are there the groups of owners of organization. जो मैनेजमेंट करते हैं वो स्पेशलिस्ट एम्प्लॉई है. So administration, owner and the management is employee. The second is level of management. Administrations needed at the top level, management needed at the middle level. The third one is functional role. What is a role of management and administration? Administration का role है decision making, जबकि मैनेजमेंट का रोल है जो डिसीजन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने बनाया है उसे एक्चुअल में इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. मैनेजमेंट का काम डिसीजन बनाना नहीं है, उसका काम है जो भी पॉलिसीज़ बनाई है उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करो, उसको डेलीगेट करो. डेलीगेट मीन्स वी नीड टू ट्रांसफ़र द वर्क टू अनदर एम्प्लॉई. वी नीड टू डेलीगेट आवर ऑथोरिटी. Now, fourth one is work area. To create the organization. Administration का काम है organization को create करो, जबकि management का काम है operate the activities. Administration खुद कोई काम नहीं करता, काम करता है management. But administration के बिना management होगा नहीं. Fifth one is management function. Planning and organization. Administration का main function क्या है? Planning करना और organize करना. उसके बाद जो काम आता है वो है management का. Management का functions है directing, motivate करना और सारी activities को control करना है. Now the sixth point is nature of decision. जो भी decisions लेते हैं उसका nature क्या है? The administrations take decisions, but which decision? Strategic decisions and long-term decision. Whereas management take operating decisions and the term is medium and short. The seventh point is environment. Administrations come into external, management come into internal. एक्सटर्नल यानी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बाहर के जो फैक्टर्स है उसके साथ उसको डील करना है. मैनेजमेंट यानी जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर है, इंटरनल फंक्शंस है, इंटरनल एनवायरनमेंट है, उसके साथ उसको डील करना है. एक इज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. अभी सबके पास रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, बट रिस्पॉन्सिबल किसको है? Administration is responsible to the regulatory bodies, the act or the other tribunals, etc. Whereas the management is responsible to the board of directors of the company. The scope, simple, the main thing, administration has a wider scope, whereas management is a part of administration. So that's why management is a narrow concept as comparison to the administration. I hope now you have an understanding of difference between administration and management. Administration and management एक सिक्के के दो बाजू है. Administration के बिना management नहीं हो सकता. The administration is a first step and management is second. और मैनेजमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का ही एक हिस्सा है.